Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to use teamwork.com for operations and process management, the full 2025 guide. Let's get started right away. Our first step is to create a new project. Navigate to the Projects tab and click Add to start a new project. This is important because every task, person, and process will be tied to this project. It's the foundation of all our work on teamwork.com. Now that we've done that, let's add team members to our project. Click on People in the navigation bar and then Invite Users. Here, you can add email addresses of your team members and assign them roles. The reason we do this is to delegate tasks and responsibilities to each person effectively, ensuring everyone knows their role and what they need to do. Next up, we're creating tasks. Go to the Tasks tab and click Add Task. Here, you can assign the task to a team member, set a due date, and describe what needs to be done. This step is crucial because it helps keep track of what needs to be done and who's responsible for it, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. Now let's dive a bit deeper and add milestones to our project. Go to Milestones and click Add Milestone. This helps us because it allows us to set and track important deadlines, making sure our project stays on schedule. Remember, a well-managed project is a successfully completed project. Lastly, let's look at the dashboard. Here, you can monitor the progress of your project, track time spent, and view reports. This is where you can see the big picture and make sure your project is on track. Let me explain why this matters. It's all about keeping your finger on the pulse of your project, making sure everything is moving along as planned, and identifying any potential issues early. So there you have it, folks. We've just walked through creating a project, adding team members, creating tasks, setting milestones, and monitoring progress on teamwork.com. By using these features effectively, you can ensure smooth operations and process management for your projects. Remember, teamwork.com is a powerful tool, but like any tool, its effectiveness depends on how well it's used. So take the time to familiarize yourself with its features and use it to streamline your operations and process management. That's all for today. Thanks for tuning in.